The 2014 Mercedes S-Class by Brabus. It didn't take too long for someone to decide that the new Mercedes S-Class can do much better than the standard version, did it? And who better to do such a tune than Mercedes specialist Brabus? The tuner announced a pretty cool upgrade kit for the S-Class today that increases the sedan's output to as high as 720 horsepower. The package can be applied to the S500 and S63 AMG versions, but we are pretty sure more goodies are in the works. For the S500, Brabus offers the Brabus B50-520 PowerXtra CGI performance kit that adds an extra 65 horsepower. As a result, the S500 now delivers a total of 512 horsepower and 604 pound-feet of torque. With the extra power in tow, the S500 sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds and up to a top speed of 186 miles per hour. For the S63 AMG things get even better. Brabus offers a B63-650 PowerXtra CGI kit that adds another 145 horsepower and increases the total output up to 641 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. The most powerful version is the Brabus B63S. It gets two special Brabus turbos, a low-temperature water radiator for the intercooling system, a free-flow exhaust system with metal catalysts and 3-inch thick downpipes. With all these upgrades, the B63S delivers a total of 720 horsepower at 5,300 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 785 pound-feet available consistently between 1,750 and 5,000 revolutions per minute. For the B63S, top speed is limited to 202 miles per hour. Click past the jump to read more about the Mercedes S-Class by Brabus. Mercedes S-Class by Brabus in detail. Brabus is also preparing a carbon fiber body kit, but it will be revealed at the 2013 Frankfurt Motor Show. Until then, customers can opt for new alloy wheels, sized 19, 20 or even 21 inches. For the interior, the tuner is offering leather trim and the finest Alcantara.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.